Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rebecca, and on my channel I talk about anything and everything that has to do with yoga, and I have some practices for you too. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your yoga mat. So if you just bought a yoga mat, or you've got a yoga mat and you washed it the wrong way, or you thought you knew how to wash your yoga mat and it turns out you didn't, then this video is for you. All right, first things first, please like and subscribe down below. Thank you. So, how do you clean a yoga mat? It's really simple. First of all, you need to make sure you know what your yoga mat is made out of. I prefer to use natural rubber yoga mats. So, if you're using a natural rubber yoga mat with a closed cell surface, like I do, there's two mats out there that I can think of. I'm sure there's a couple of knockoffs too. So just be sure to see what kind of material your mat is made out of. But I've found, this is my favorite yoga mat cleaner. It's called a Sutra. I don't know if you can see it, it's a little bright there. Anyway, I like it. It's like awesome. I didn't clean my mat very well before because I didn't have a decent mat cleaner. Plus I was using an open cell rubber yoga mat that's really hard to clean. But anyway, this one is called Uplifting Eucalyptus. It smells really fresh and clean. It comes with a cloth, so you just spray the cloth. I was such a ding dong, and I sprayed my mat the first few times when I didn't know how to properly wipe down my mat. And then someone said to me, why don't you just spray the cloth? And I was like, oh yeah, that's a brilliant idea. So, and then I just wipe back and forth, side to side, and make sure everything gets kind of brushed off to the side. All right, there you have it. You have a freshly clean, mostly sanitized, I would say, because of the essential oils in here. I don't know what else is in it, but hopefully it's not damaging. No, it's made for all yoga mats, but I've been using it on my mat for a year, and it's kept it in fantastic shape, and it's nice and clean. And then the next time when you roll out your mat to practice, it's like, it smells delicious. I mean, no, it smells fresh. That's what I meant to say. Anyway, I hope that was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button below. And if you want to hear more from me, subscribe to my channel. All right, take care.